Okay, after 20 days driving around Australia in this motorhome, this is a Renault camper van. Now today we're finally returning the van, so I've made sure that I've cleaned up everything as usual, even the toilet, okay, all the black water tank, not even a single hair. Okay, we cleared everything, covered everything, spick and span, tidy. Okay, plates, bowls, everything arranged properly as it is when it was handed over to me. This is the basic etiquette. We got to wash everything, okay? Clear every single thing, your fridge, everything must clean. Microwave, check everything, fold up, okay? And then of course look at the flooring of the van, everything is clean as I return to them, okay? And this is a basic social etiquette when you're traveling. Make sure that whether it's an Airbnb or home that you're staying, a vehicle that you're renting, make sure you clean everything, then you return it back to them, okay? And of course I find good things and a lot of flaws about camper van because it's not built for 4 seasons, so a lot of challenges. Allow me to understand and learn so that when we build our own expedition vehicle, we will know how to deal with it. Alright, so cheers.